In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a return and refund policy in Shopify. A clear, visible policy builds trust with customers, reduces support tickets, and sets expectations before and after a purchase. I'll walk you through where to find the editor, how to generate or write your policy, and what information to include so it's both customer-friendly and aligned with your store's workflow. Start in your Shopify admin dashboard. Look to the bottom left and click Settings, then open the Policies section. In the Written Policies area, choose Return and Refund Policy to open the editor where you'll create or update your content. You have 3 simple ways to build the policy. If you want a quick starting point, click Insert Template. Shopify will drop in a default policy you can tailor to your brand voice and operations. If you prefer total control, write your own directly in the editor. The rich text tools let you format headings, emphasize important lines, and add helpful links or images, such as a size guide. You can also draft the text with an AI generator, then paste it into the editor and refine it to match your tone and logistics. Whichever method you choose, make sure the essentials are crystal clear. State your return window, such as the number of days customers have to send items back. Describe the condition items must be in when returned, like unused, with tags, and in original packaging. Explain refund methods, whether you issue store credit, refund to the original payment method, or offer exchanges. Clarify who pays for return shipping so there are no surprises. Lastly, list any products that are final sale and therefore not eligible for returns. The goal is to remove friction by answering the questions customers are most likely to have before they contact support. Use plain language, short paragraphs, and examples where helpful. Keep policies consistent with your shipping and inventory processes to avoid conflicts. If you sell internationally, consider notes about regional differences and link to any country-specific details hosted on your site. Keep the tone friendly but firm, and avoid vague terms that could create confusion. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your return and refund policy is now published to your store, and Shopify automatically links it in the footer of your checkout pages, so shoppers can find it right when they need it. That's it. You've set clear expectations and made returns simpler for everyone.